Hello my friends, welcome to Kids Study Station. Today we are going to learn phonics sound of vowel U. There are three sounds for the vowel U. The first one sound is its name, U. Second sound is its a nickname, that is it's a sound A. And the third one sound is its extra sound, that is U. Three sounds, U, A and U. U, A and U. Let's read some words having these three sounds. The first one sound, its name, U. Like in Q. Q. And cube. Cube. U. The second sound is A. That is its nickname. A. As in hug. Hug. And in bug. Bug. A. This is second sound. And the third one sound is U. As in full. Full. And in push. Push. Third sound U. Excellent. Today we learned phonics sound of vowel U. If you like this lesson, do like, share and subscribe the channel. In the next lesson, we are going to learn letter blending with vowel U. So we'll meet in the next lesson. But till, bye!